Meanwhile, a report from the Department of Commerce shows the U.S. economy grew at an annual rate of 2.4% in the second quarter, beating expectations. And this appears to show the U.S. economy is avoiding recession and is more resilient than most economists expected. Business reporter Alexis Christoforous has more on this. Alexis, what does this report tell you about the state of the economy?
This economy continues to defy expectations, Diane. It is still a very strong economy. Despite all of the challenges, despite inflation, despite higher interest rates, the economy grew at a pace of 2.4% last quarter, and it was the consumer driving that growth. We continue to see consumer spending very strong. We're spending on things like experiences, right, like travel. Autos also strong as we continue to buy big-ticket items. It's going to be interesting to see if that consumer spending pace can continue. You know, that stash of cash so many people put aside during the pandemic because they weren't doing anything, that is now dwindling. And you also have those student loan repayments starting back up in October. So we'll have to see. But I want to say economists are now dialing back their expectations for a recession, and that's good news.
That is good news. Now, the Federal Reserve just raised interest rates to a 22-year high, another quarter-point hike. What does that mean, big picture? And what about for people who have debt to pay right now?
Well, the Federal Reserve obviously does not believe that inflation is under wraps just yet. It's cooling. It's at 3%, a lot better than the 9% where it was June of last year. But it's still above that Fed target, that magic 2% number the Fed wants to see. So they want to keep their foot on the gas here, continuing to raise interest rates to slow the economy a little more and bring inflation lower. Of course, what does this mean for all of us? It's going to get more expensive to borrow money and finance things like credit card debt, cars, mortgages, you name it. So again, it'll be very interesting to see how much more consumers are going to absorb as these interest rates continue to move higher.
All right, Alexis Christoforous, always great to have you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.